What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are starting the cruise for the True and Wild Street Shootout, and I'm gonna let Xander film a little while I drive.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Let's do this.
Alright, everyone, so we made the cruise. It's about a 15-16 mile cruise. All the cars made it, so if you can make that cruise, especially in this heat, hey, you're a street car.
All the NA guys, come up here.
How we gonna grab you one?
It'll be 1L, 1R. That's how you gonna run them. Pair up.
Find your partners and pull up 3 and 4. FI. Oh, you run.
Please don't run off of my chips. Pair up and give them back, please.
All right, NA is gonna go first. FI second. Wild to be third. I will prep between.
Up in the left lane of that car number 7. Who I'm running. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Oh yeah, he's gone. Guys, I entered this to have some fun. I knew there was gonna be some serious NA guys enter this. So we're just tuned, and that's it. But we had some fun, guys. Alright guys, we have the NA True Street round 2. This is the car that beat me, so we're gonna see how he does. We got Letitia Hughes against Daryl Winger for fun. Left lane. Alright guys, this is True Street Force Induction round 2. Left lane. Right there. Right lane. Alright guys, we got Xander coming up to make a pass. This is testing right now in between rounds. There we go. Alright guys, so Xander just ran his personal best.
Yeah.
And the DA sucks. The DA humidity is horrible. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, I am sweating. I've been here since 8:45 this morning, Xander and I both, and it is horrible out here. It's hot as can be. 6:30 though.
Finally ran a 6:30, just under 120 mile an hour. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm getting faster. 60% duty, just to combat the heat that we're dealing with. But man, she moved out that time.
Oh, dude.
She spun a little bit, but the 60-foot wasn't there.
Okay.
You know, so we got some things to work on.
Dude, that looked like a very solid pass.
Felt good, bro.
That's a very solid pass. All right, guys, we have the final in Wild Street. Alright guys, so we're about to go make a test pass, change something a little up, and we're gonna see how she does.
I got some long gears, it's crazy. Still hot, it's still humid.
The DA is still crazy high, but this, guys, as you know, you watch my channel, this is Tennessee. Tennessee in the summer, hot and humid and sticky and messy, and we'll see what she did. All right, let's see. 765 with a 17960 with a 94.4 mile per hour. I was testing out a tune for someone, and we'll leave it at that. Did really good. We gotta get that 60 down. All right, guys, this is the final of the NA True Street. Left lane. Alright guys, we're in the semifinals of Force Induction True Street. There you go. Right lane. Alright guys, this is the final of the Force Induction True Street. Turbo S197 versus Turbo S197. Guys, here we go. Gonna run Daryl. I got Pony, then lost against a wild, pretty built car, which I wasn't ashamed of. That car is actually pretty damn fast. So no shame in that at all. So Daryl, me and Daryl's gonna run. Now he has 355 gears, I have 315.
All right, that's it. What's the front about?
Alright guys, 355 gears, catted long tubes, 315 gears. Yeah, that's what 355 gears and catted long tubes to get you over pretty much stock. We're both on same front runners and rears, both on same tune for this. Alright guys, it's been a long night. I want to thank everybody who came out to Ford Takeover, who came out to the race after and participated. I want to thank everybody for that. We had a blast and absolute fun. Had fun. I got some test passes on this, got to see a little differences in some stuff. Had fun with it though guys, and that's the main thing. But guys, we're going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to both of us, and we'll see you next time.